traveled to this beautiful little camping spot, well, glamping, in Kanchanaburi. And we're here now and we're gonna go check in. So while I'm waiting for Jason to check in, they've given us some welcome drinks and we got some caramel popcorn. Jason, look what we got.
Wow, look at that, the caramel popcorn.
Juice. Oh, right here, perfect.
Thank you. Come on,
There, no key, right?
I got a key.
It's a dent. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So we get this massive lock. Should I take off my shoes? Yeah, I'm going to take off my shoes. So let's just have a look at the outside. We've got beanbags, which we'll set up nicer. Now it's just kind of just plugged there. And I'm assuming that's the bathroom area.
Let's go check it out.
The bathroom first?
Yeah, why not?
Wow.
Change it up a
I
bit.
just took off my shoes.
I mean, it's not going to
Okay,
be very
you
big.
can go in by yourself. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Maybe you should get a private bathroom.
So this bathroom is huge. We got a toilet right here, we have a shower right here, and we have a sink right here. Massive. Got everything you need.
You know what? We've done glamping and sometimes it's communal bathrooms. So
Oh, this is awesome.
we appreciate having our own bathroom.
This is great.
Okay, now for the tent. Here we go. How do we...
Yeah,
We gotta get down, Jason.
get down low.
Oh, look at that. How cute is this? It has an AC.
Oh,
I was like, oh, it's cold in here.
It's freezing
nice.
in here. Wow.
That's nice. Okay, oh, gotta punch a little bit. Oh, we can stand in the middle at least. Okay, so, wow. Got a TV, we've got a mini bar. Let's see what's in the mini bar. Oh, it's not stocked.
We have water.
It's fine, we'll go find a... Oh, there's no 7-Elevens around here, I don't think. Teacups. No kettle. How do you have a teacup in here? No kettle.
Maybe ask him to bring you some hot water.
Maybe they bring the kettle.
Yeah.
Okay, now here's our beautiful bed.
That looks quite springy.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not like soft, but it's not tie firm. It's like a perfect in between. Really nice. I'm gonna have to ask him for a second pillow because...
Was that a feather pillow?
No, this is really nice though. It's squishy. It's good. Perfect. I'm gonna be sleeping like a baby. Okay, so the lady says we have to check the menu for what we can. We heard you can have barbecue or mukata. I'm not too sure, but let's see what we can have.
So while we were waiting for Jay to look at that menu, they told us that you scan the line, so you invite them online. It's an app, and you can send them whatever you want. So if you want a drink, you can send them what drink you want, what food you want. So you just send it all online, and then they'll bring it to you.
So the place we're staying at is called the Campster, and they have many different options. You've got the glamping tents, which we are staying in. Then they have caravans, which we really wanted to get, but they were sold out, unfortunately. And then they have these sky domes, and whatever our neighbor is. I'm not too sure what that is.
It's
like a big, glamorous tent.
That's a sky dome. Isn't that the...
No, that's like a glamorous tent. But we will show you the different options. We're gonna go take a look around now. They do have a swimming pool. I did not expect that actually. They have a swimming pool.
Yeah, so we don't have a garden view, we have a pool view.
So this is the other tents that you can see like that. Over here is where they'll have the bonfire tonight, and they'll give us marshmallows to braai.
They even have music
Barbecue.
playing and everything.
Yeah. And then, yeah, they'll have a, I don't know what you call it, something festive happening here tonight. Here are the sky domes, which is quite cool, and they're right on the river here. See, over here is where all the caravans are. It's cute, isn't it?
Very nice.
let's have a look at the caravans quickly. So here are all the caravans. There's 1, 2, 3 caravans. And right on the river here.
Oh, look, the jet ski.
Oh wow, that's cool. They also have little villas here, I see. Don't break.
Are you falling backwards?
Could you imagine? Oh, they got more caravans here. They look like family ones.
Yeah. Well, there you go. That's the tour of the Campster. It's not very big, but I mean, it's cute, very nice.
Really cute, and we're only here for 1 night, so it's like very ideal. The caravans, I actually see they can fit 4 people, so if you're with a group of friends and you want to stay in a caravan right up on the river, they have it here as well, which is really cute. So we forgot to mention, when we were driving into this place, there were elephants on the side of the road. That was so cool, right? There were just 2 big massive elephants just grazing right next to the road. No one there. So I don't know if they're, definitely can't be wild, because you don't just get random wild elephants walking around the roads, right? They like have their, what are those people who look after the elephants called?
The elephant protector.
Okay, they have a name, but whatever. Maybe they were just relaxing in a bush somewhere, sleeping, while the elephants were, you know, grazing. But really nice to see. I wish I got it on camera, but we went past it, unfortunately. But yeah, they do have Kata here. So we're debating if we want to go down to the restaurant, which was basically a table with haystacks, or do we want to have the Kata here? We're still deciding. Okay, so we've decided to have the Kata come to our room.
Our tent.
Our tent, that's it. Yeah, so we didn't want to go down there yet, but at 7 o'clock they will have the activities, and then we will go down there to check out the activities, braai se marsh. Barbecue, I keep saying braai, it's a South African term, but barbecue.
Well, we'll give you the, no, I mean, braai means barbecue back in South Africa, so we'll play the bottom.
Here it comes.
ได้ไหมได้ครับขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're gonna go grab the other stuff. Bring it. Great.
Roll on me. Now Kata has arrived.
Okay, what's inside, Jace? Let's have a look.
So in this one, all we have is, I think, just pork. And we got our rabbit food again. Got an egg we can crack open inside there. Got some carrots and some glass noodles. Yeah, that's about it.
So this is a Thai style barbecue. We did one in our bubble dome video as well. The meat is a little bit different. The one we had before had like a variety yeah, of meat. So this one's just the Kata. Mu means pig, and Kata, what?
Barbecue.
Barbecue? Yeah.
It's like pan on the coals.
Something like that. Maybe if we have any Thai subscribers or viewers, you can let us know in the comments below, what does Kata mean? Kata. Yeah, mu I know is pig. and Kata, not 100% sure. But yeah, love this. It's so cute. And it's like this kind of a slow process of eating, and it's very fun, especially if you have friends and you're a couple and you want to talk, you know, it's a nice experience. Work on your chopstick skills. It's very difficult if you don't know how to use chopsticks. Yeah, so we need to pour in boil.
Got some chili sauce as well.
So the first step we're gonna do is pour in the boil water.
Boil the water.
Gonna pour in the water so it can boil. Jason, would you like to do it?
Oh yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, I think that's good, yeah?
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is take your fat. So they'll give us a big chunk of fat. Where is it?
In the middle, right here.
Aha. Can you help me break that?
Is it two?
Yeah.
I honestly think they're just one.
Okay, so you'll get a big piece of fat like that, which you need to put right up on the top here. Oh, this is a big piece of fat.
Oh yeah, it's a thick boy.
Okay.
In the water she goes. Chopstick skills.
No, see, you can see I'm not, you know, super great at this. Okay, so we're gonna leave that up there. Then we're gonna be putting our vegetables, rabbit food. And some mushrooms. Love those mushrooms, they're so good. Some carrots.
We didn't get carrots before, did we?
No, so first, like some carrots. Good, and then we've got, ooh, yes. Here's our glass noodles. Put that right around.
Alright, so now it's time to put some meat on. Let's start cooking some pork.
Okay, the time has arrived. We have finished the mukata and now we're going to the bonfire to barbecue some marshmallows. Hopefully, I don't know if you have to pay for them, but we'll see when we get down there. Let's go.
Maybe we can make some s'mores.
Oh, that would be so nice.
We have our marshmallows. Then we got s'mores. Let's go barbecue these boys.
Well, the crackers.
Oh, crackers, yeah.
Yeah, and then they got little...
Same, different things.
What is it? Sparklies
Oh,
as well.
sparklers, yeah.
Yeah.
Little sparklers.
And we're gonna go to the bonfire. Wait, I want one too.
When last have we done this? Haven't done this for years.
Yeah, a long time. Maybe what, 6 years?
Yeah. Where did everyone go? So Jay's making a small. How is it? Should we ask for like some chocolate sauce?
Oh, that'll be so good.
Awesome.
Squidge, 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 squidge. So Jason thought he was a professional and had it like in a position in the bonfire. He's like, oh yeah, you want to copy me? Look what happened to his marshmallow.
Damn, that sucks.
Whee! You take it, you're pretty right. Good morning. So it's about 6:30 now in the morning and still pretty dark. Everything's very fogged over. We're gonna go look now if we want to go kayaking or go cycling. We're gonna go see which one's the easiest to get at the moment because we know where the kayaks are, but we don't know where the bicycles are. So I'm waiting for Jason and we're gonna go see what we can do and then we'll eat breakfast. it's really foggy out. Like you can barely see quite far.
Up so low.
Yeah, the clouds are so low. Really nice. Very peaceful. Like the water is not even rippled yet because we're the first ones out probably. Not really, but there hasn't been anything out here for a while. That's how still the water is. I see a boat coming now, so that's going to change very quickly. We'll be like, ga, ga, ga. Okay guys, so we're back from the kayaking, and we're just waiting for our breakfast now. Are you excited to eat, Jason? Yeah. So we've ordered 2 American breakfasts and muping, which is like pork on a stick, with khao niao, which is sticky rice, which is one of Jason's favorite actually. He eats it quite a bit. It's really good. Ooh, thank you. I'll pop this side. Okay, so this is the American breakfast. I see we've got 1 potato wedge, 2 sausages, egg. Oh, there's actually bacon hiding under there. Got some ham. And
over here we have the muping, grilled pork on a stick. It's so good. It's like the best meal to go to in Thailand.
What's in the surprise basket, Jason?
What's in
the basket?
Ready?
Ah, okay, so it's a sticky rice.
Yeah, sticky rice.
Okay guys, so we're gonna end the video here. We've had an absolute fantastic time, you know, taking us back to camping, even though it is, you know, a bit more glamorous, glamping.
It was fun.
It was fun. It was really nice, good experience, and we'll definitely come back again. And we hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Jason's not a very good morning person, you guys. I'm very sorry. Hey, Jason. Very grumpy every morning, isn't he? And I'm like, no, let's go kayaking. Or canoeing. Kayaking, canoeing, kayaking. Canoeing. Let's go canoeing. Hope you enjoyed it. So Jason's angry because his butt's really wet.